If you're watching this video right now, it's because you've reached a point where you want to truly understand what each BlackArrow plan delivers and which one actually makes sense for you. The difference between plans isn't just the price. It's the tools, the level of your trading. Picking the wrong plan means paying for stuff you don't use, or worse, getting stuck on a platform that can't keep up with your trading skills. So stick with me, because in just a few minutes, you'll know exactly which plan is the right fit for you. Let's get into it. Before I break down each plan, let me give you the big picture of what we're working with. BlackArrow has 4 plans: 1 Plus, Pro and Ultra. They work in tiers. Each plan includes everything from the one below it, plus more tools on top. So there's nothing in the Plus that Pro doesn't have. There's nothing in the Pro that Ultra doesn't have. The idea is simple. As you grow as a trader, the platform grows with you. One more thing worth mentioning. Every plan is available on web, desktop and mobile. For a full side-by-side comparison, head over the Plans tab on the BlackArrow website. There you can compare every feature, check out the billing options, monthly, 6 months, yearly and 2 years, and compare pricing. Alright, let's get into it, starting with the base version. BlackArrow 1. The 1 is your entry point. It gives you the essentials to start trading, learn the platform, and develop your market read. With the 1, you get 2 simultaneous charts, 5 indicators per chart, 5 alerts, and chart trading, which lets you place orders directly from the chart without needing a separate order ticket. Super clean workflow. Chart types stay on the basic side here. No Renko, no seconds-based chart, and no visual market depth. The 1 plan also includes partial access to some of the most widely used trader tools. So you'll have OCO orders, a simulator for paper trading, and backtesting. But tools like VWAP, SuperDOM, and Volume Profile are reserved for higher tiers. So if you're just getting started, you're not yet working with order flow, and your main focus is learning the platform and finding your rhythm, the 1 is your plan. BlackArrow Plus. Now, the Plus is where things start getting really interesting. You jump up to 6 simultaneous charts and unlock access to every chart type: Renko, seconds, range, cluster, whatever you need. You also get the visual market depth, which traders use heavily to spot where institutional players are stepping in on the chart. The Plus plan comes with 10 indicators per chart, volume profile, and one of the most widely used tools, VWAP. A few market flow tools are still off the table here, like the flow map and volume at market. But this is the first BlackArrow version to include SuperDOM, the ability to modify OCO orders, and a quick order ticket. The Plus plan also triples the number of alerts from the 1, adds market replay, another fun favorite, and includes CSV data export. If you're already watching the order book on a daily basis and want to read the market with more depth, Plus is your plan. BlackArrow Pro. The Pro is for traders who already have a solid trading running and need tools that Plus simply doesn't offer. As I mentioned at the top, Pro includes everything in Plus and more. Here are the key additions in the Pro plan. Unlimited indicators per chart, no cap, no restrictions. Full order flow toolkit. Flow map and volume at market are both unlocked in Pro. Advanced execution tools, including trailing stop and auto break-even. Trailing stop automatically adjust your stop loss and price moves in your favor. Auto break-even automatically moves your stop to entry or close to it once the trade hits a predefined profit level. If you order standout features in the Pro. Remote automation control. Turn your automated strategies on and off from your phone. Parameter optimization. Automatically test your strategy across different market conditions in just a few clicks. Unlimited alerts. Set them on news events, specific times, or chart studies like support and resistance breakouts. Market Monitor gives you a broader view of overall market sentiment, a go-to tool for a lot of active traders, and one of the biggest differentiators in the Pro. Automation in a paper account. You can build, test, and run your bots without putting real capital at risk. Validate your strategy before you ever flip it on in a live account. If you're trading with advanced order flow, want to work with automations, and need deeper functionality across the board, Pro is most likely your best move. BlackArrow Ultra. The Ultra is our most complete version, full stop. It was built for the professional level trader who wants access to institutional grade tools, and especially for traders who want to trade the US equities market. On top of everything in One, Plus, and Pro, the Ultra adds direct market access. DMA allows traders to send buy and sell orders directly to the exchange's trading system, bypassing the broker's dealing desk entirely. That means faster execution and full transparency. In BlackArrow Ultra, you'll find tools built specifically for US stock traders. Short locates, multiple routes, regular hours stock rankings, pre-market stock rankings, and after-hours stock rankings are all part of the DMA toolkit in this version. Beyond those, you also get multi-asset replay, run market replay on more than one asset at the same time, trade plan, a structured tool to help you stay disciplined and organized in your trading, Copilot, automated decision support for your strategy execution. For those unfamiliar, Copilot identifies entry signals triggered by your automation and shows you a confirmation window before any order gets sent to the broker or exchange. The Ultra also includes crypto market data, simultaneous login across all your devices, and Ultra tier support. If you treat trading like a serious business and you want to trade in the US market with professional grade tools, Ultra is your plan. Alright, let me break it all down in 30 seconds. 1. You're just starting out, focused on learning the platform, not yet working with order flow. Plus, you're already reading the book, using VWAP and volume profile, and want more analytical depth. Pro. You trade with advanced order flow, want to run automations in your simulator, and need pro-level execution tools like trailing stop and auto break-even. Ultra. You're a professional level trader and want DMA fully integrated and equities-focused features. Once you've chosen your plan, the next step is selecting your market data. In other words, which market you want to trade. The link to download BlackArrow and try it out is right here in the description. The first few days are free, so you can explore everything before committing to anything. If this video helped you out, drop a like below, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your buddy who's asking the same questions. See you in the next one.